And CEO John Gomez, along with special guest Jessica, joining us now to talk about what this is all about. Welcome to you both. Thanks for getting up early for us.
Yeah, good morning.
All right, tell us, broad stroke for us, and I'll start asking questions.
Yeah, so my law firm is the largest Latino consumer rights law firm in the country, and so we're super committed to the advancement of Latino lawyers in law and judges. And so this event, La Raza Lawyers Scholarship Gala, is really the big event of the year.
All right, so, and this is taking place?
Right downtown San Diego.
Now, Jessica, are you a recipient of this scholarship money at one point in your life?
At one point I was.
Talk about it.
2014, I actually received the scholarship twice. Once while I was in law school to help me get through law school, and then at the end of law school, I received a bar stipend to help me pay for bar fees, and it's very expensive.
Could you talk a little bit about the struggle up the hill and how a little financial assistance can make all the difference in the world?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, these students, and me being one myself, you know, through law school, I was single mom, I was working 3 jobs, and just reading the applications from this year, we had 36 applicants. All of them are very deserving, very similar struggles, you know, first-generation college students, working multiple jobs, a lot of them single parents, so any little bit helps. And we try to make the scholarships to where they're significant. So they range this year anywhere from $1,000 to $7,500, which is the Gomez Trial Attorney Scholarship. And so they'll make a big impact.
Wow. So do you have to be of Latino descent to receive this scholarship?
You have to be committed to the advancement of Latinos in law. And I will say, Jessica's one of our lawyers, so super proud to see her come all the way through.
Well, you planted the seed, and now you...
That's it, yeah, it's awesome.
So what you want is 2 dozen more, 3 dozen more, 100 more, 1,000 more Jessicas, right?
Exactly, yeah. You know, it's funny, more than half of the kids in elementary school in California are Hispanic, and only 6% of our lawyers are. So we're really trying to change those dynamics.
Change the demographic. So, I mean, the number is pretty impressive. Over $600,000 raised since you've been doing this?
Yeah,
that's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money, makes a lot of difference. You know, it turns aspiring, you know, dreamers into great lawyers and leaders.
What is the popular field of choice right now as it relates to law? I mean, I know everybody wants to be on TV and, you know, you can't handle the truth moment, but there are a lot of different options, right, for attorneys?
Yeah,
what's the choice du jour right now?
Well, who knows? I mean, you can go work for a big law firm. You can be a prosecutor. I was a prosecutor for a while. You can be a defender, a criminal defense lawyer. You can be an immigration lawyer. You can be a personal injury lawyer like us. You know, there's you can be a family law lawyer. You can do a ton of things.
All right. So there's someone out there right now dreaming the dream. Mm-hmm. Look, that's your camera. Speak to him.
I just say, just go for your dreams. Don't let adversity, you know, tear you down. And the biggest thing is always look to your community, look to your network. I wouldn't be where I am without my network, and one of those very important, you know, influences was San Diego La Raza Lawyers Association and mentors like John and other mentors that I've had along the way. So just look up to your mentors.
So how are people going to partake in this gala coming up? What's the way to get involved? I mean, are there still tables available?
Yeah. She says yes. She's on the scholarship committee.
I'm asking
She's
the
wrong
boss.
person.
He's just the face of this. All right. So how do people get involved?
Yeah. So they can go to the website. We can share it. They can still buy tickets. If they attend the event, there's going to be money raised there at the event. This year we're giving a record-breaking over $50,000 worth of scholarships. So at the event they'll raise funds. They'll continue to raise funds, or you can just donate. You can get involved with La Raza as well. It's not just for Latinos. It's anybody who wants to get involved and help promote our cause.
We do something similar with the National Football Foundation, and the hardest part is, because we have a finite amount of money, so many worthy applicants. How tough is the process of choosing between kids?
It's very, very tough. So I'm the chair of the scholarship committee, and this year it took 10 of us to sort through 36 very worthy and deserving students and choose 25. So we did the best we could.
Do you get to make the phone call?
No, she's the boss. I just write the check.
That's the hard part. Yeah. But how does that phone call go? It
was amazing.
Give us I would get emotional.
I get emotional. It takes me back to when I got my phone call. We did do a phone call. I called 25 students yesterday personally, and some of them cried. So it really does make a difference, and it was amazing. It's a great experience.
Well, we appreciate you coming in. We wish you a big success. I hope it's a big number, and I hope the number keeps growing.
Yeah, thank you for
Thank you
having
very
us.
much.
You bet.